I heard about pickleball in 2014 from a newscast, and I gave up tennis in my mid-40s because my ankles were turning in. Well, pickleball just brought sports back into my life. I've looked at river cruises many times over the years, never done it, and when I heard about this one, that it was going to 4 countries and the possibility of playing in the different countries, it's a great marriage, and I think that I think it's going to sell out quickly.